Hello, Austin Academy sixth grade students. We are going to talk today about how to access a resource where you can uh, research all different facts about a certain country. It is called CultureGrams, and your social studies teachers are going to be asking you to use this resource this week to research a country. Now, there's two ways that you can access CultureGrams. Your teachers will be putting a link into your Google Classroom so you can access it through that, or you can go into ReadyHub, and from ReadyHub, you need to choose Mac and Via. Once you get into Mac and Via, you're going to choose Digital Resources. And then it's not very far down because it's in alphabetical order, CultureGrams, and choose Open Now. And here we are on the home page of CultureGrams. Now, you guys are going to be using the World Edition of CultureGrams. So right here where it has the Explore button, you are going to choose this. It has information on more than 200 countries. Now, there's two ways to access the country that you are going to be researching. So you can click on this drop-down box right here, and all of the countries are listed in alphabetical order, or you can choose the continent. So I'm going to be researching Jamaica, which is part of North America. And then, so once I've chosen my continent, I can again choose my country from the map, or I can scroll down in alphabetical order and find my country. So now that I've chosen my country, here I am on the home page of my country, which in my case is Jamaica. It has a picture of what the country looks like on the map, and then it has some interesting facts, a did you know section. Then down here, the infographic, this shows a just a full-size infographic that shows you the characteristics of the average person that would live in this country. Clicking on the image takes you to a bigger image so you can see it better. It's really, really tiny on this page, so you will want to enlarge it. You can hear the official name. You can hear the anthem by hitting the play button. There is an image of the flag, and then it tells you on each country, whatever the flag looks like, and then what the different colors on the flag look like. Or, for example, this one has an X. Some flags have a picture of something in the middle, like maybe an animal, and it will tell you why the why that picture is there. What does it symbolize? And then down at the bottom, it has some data about the country. For example, the square footage, um, how many people live in it, the population, the life expectancy of their citizens, and things like that. Okay, now I'm going to scroll back up to the top. I want you to now notice the left hand side, all of these things over here on the side. This gives you so much more information about the country. It will tell you customary greetings, gestures. It has different topics that have to do with the lifestyle of the people that live in this country and the society. So let's say, for example, that I need to know about the family. What does a typical family look like in Jamaica? So see, I've clicked on family over on the left-hand bar. And here it gives me some extra information. I can click through and see all the different topics. So see, it goes to the very next topic, and I can go back and forth that way. Okay, now I'm back on the home page, and I want to show you this. Really, I think this is really neat. This is very helpful. So let's say that you need this article saved to your Google Drive because you're going to work with it later. Right over here in the top right-hand side, I can save this to my Google Drive. And then you'll be able to find it later. It actually will create a new folder for you called ProQuest CultureGrams, and all of the articles that you save from CultureGrams will be found in that folder in Google Drive. Now, look all the way down at the bottom. Um, Remember that whenever you use information that you're getting from a different source, you need to cite your sources. Well, this will cite it for you. In Garland ISD, we use MLA, so just click that little button right there. Look, it cites the source for you. So you just need to copy the citation and it is copied to your clipboard. And then now you can copy that, paste it over into your project at the end of your slides, at the end of your report, whatever it is that you're doing. Now, there's a couple more things I want to show you. At the top, look at all these other topics, things that you can look at. So let's say that you need some photos for your project. Click on photos. Now, you are going to have to find your country again. We were doing Jamaica. Jamaica is in the Americas. Then I'm going to scroll down. It's listed in alphabetical order. Here's Jamaica. And here is a gallery of photographs that you can use in your project. So if you're creating a slideshow for your teacher or you have a report and you need to add some photographs, here you go. Look no further. And if I click on the picture, look right here, I can download the image so that I can use it into my project. And remember that when we are using a photograph that we did not personally take, we need to cite the source. And look, I don't have to come up with it on my own. It cites the source for me. And then I can copy the citation, and paste it into my project. Okay. Another aspect I really like about this, the slideshows, is really interesting. Um, it is, again, you're going to have to find your country, but it's listed in alphabetical order. We were doing Jamaica, so I clicked on the J. Now I can look at a slideshow of daily life in Jamaica or Jamaican food. Some countries have a lot. See how Japan has a lot of slideshows. Jamaica only has two. So it just depends on which country that you're looking at. But I want to look at a slideshow of the daily life in Jamaica. So here is a slideshow of your country, and it has a description down here of each photograph. Now I can click through. Here's a new one. But I thought this was very interesting. You guys will really you should have a lot of fun looking up all the different pictures of kids' life in other countries. Um, if you have any questions about how to access any of this, while you are doing your research and while you're finishing your project, do not hesitate to reach out to me. You can email me or you can send me a comment through our Google Classroom, the library Google Classroom. So have fun researching and learning all types of interesting facts about different countries.